depends if I upload in order, then I actually took them in. We're getting closer and closer to Christmas, which is totally wild. I can't believe how fast the last year has gone by. We're like just under 2 weeks away, and I thought I would share with you a lovely gift that you can't really get in time for Christmas right now, but you could get a gift certificate or like a IOU voucher for this, and it would make a really good birthday gift, Valentine's Day gift, anniversary gift, I love you just cause gift. I don't know. It makes a really good gift regardless. And I got Rowan for our 7th anniversary. It's something I'd wanted to do for a while, especially because we took so many photos on our last trip, and Rowan actually got into taking a lot of the photos too. So I decided to put all those photos into some photo books and get them printed, which I think is a genius idea. He loved it, so proof. Anyway, so I worked with Mixbook to create 5 hardcover photo books to give to Rowan for our anniversary, and so I've been procrastinating, and I'm finally gonna give them a shot and show them to you. So you can see here I staged a nice little photo area because, well, it's gonna have to go on Instagram at some point, right? It smells like cider. Anyway, I have 5 photo books here that I made for Rowan for our anniversary, like I mentioned. I'm gonna flip through a couple of them, show you the quality. I love them so much. Oh, there's a dog toy. Yeah, that's not Instagrammable at all. We've been to Iceland, we've been to Japan, we've been to Thailand, we've been to Europe. Okay, that was my fault. I don't know what I did there that time, but I don't know. That's alright. And then this is one for everywhere else where we didn't take quite as many photos because we weren't there for a long enough period of time. So you can see on the front what I've done. They've got different templates and themes for different things. So like there's several different travel templates, but I wanted to do my own thing because it's me. The pages are like semi-glossy, like they're not super glossy, but they're not matte either. So there's lots of fonts in there, so I kept this font throughout. Added some like different images and stuff that they had in it to overlay, and then they had a whole bunch of different like layouts for different, like you could say I want like 4 photos. You can even just tell the thing to populate the book for you, but I had a whole bunch of photos and I didn't want them all in there. And the colors came out super crisp. You know, I like watercolor and crafty looking things, so that made sense. And I kept that theme throughout all of them. And then on the back, look at that. Like, kind of want to frame that. That's how much I love it. Like, I almost wish I had done the front like that, but maybe in the future. But how gorgeous is that? That was the little tiny house we stayed at in Amsterdam. This was in Cuba. Oh, that one's me in Iceland. So, like, they're just, I mean, I take a pretty good picture, right? But the quality is just so beautiful, and it's really consistent throughout all of them. All around, just like a really fun book to create, and I'm really excited to have these for our new apartment. That is the books. If you want to check out Mixbook, I'll give you more details below. I'm also going to write a blog post detailing a little bit more so you guys can try it out for yourself, and they always have a sale. Literally always have a sale. So definitely check it out, and I think you'll really enjoy it.